What's up guys, this is Via Airdrop from InnoRative, and today I'm gonna show you how to transfer files between two iPhones using airdrop. So let's move on to that. First of all, we have to turn on the airdrop on both phones. You can do this by going into the menu and then 3D touch the Wi-Fi icon and it will bring more options. Then press airdrop receiving. So there are two settings for airdrop. One is contact only. In this setting you can only share with your contacts, and other is everyone. So in this case, tap on everyone, and now airdrop is on this device, and do the same on other device. Now turn on the airdrop on this iPhone as well. There you go. And now let's start sharing a video. Now if you want to share a video, open a photo, select a desired video, and then tap on this icon. Now wait for the iPhone with the airdrop on to show, and now you can see that it appears. It's another iPhone. Just tap on it and it will send the file. There you go, we have received the file. After sharing the file, don't forget to turn off the airdrop like this on both of the devices. Here we go. Okay, that's it for today guys. I hope this video helped you, and if you have any question, please feel free to ask and like the video, and don't forget to subscribe.